Welcome to our garage. This is Lamborghini 2019 model. Customer complained auto sunroof doesn't work. After diagnose we find out the electrical problem in fuse box. After wire harness repairing and sunroof system reprogramming, the issue have been fixed. Now customer is happy and satisfied with our service. We offer all kind of electrical and mechanical repair, body trimming, denting, painting, roadside assistance and AC repair service. If you need our services, do contact us on given number and visit our website for more information. Please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.